Personal preferences allow you to customize the appearance and functionality of Timeslips. This is useful in network environments where stations can maintain their own settings when accessing a common database. Let's open the Personal Preferences dialog by going to Setup, Preferences. The Personal Preferences dialog opens to the Startup tab. Use the Startup options to determine what happens when you start Timeslips on your machine. For example, you can hide the bill and aging date screen, as well as open the timesheet automatically using the Open New Window option. You can use the Exit options below to determine what happens when you exit Timeslips. The Interface tab contains options that allow you to customize how you enter data within Timeslips. For example, Timeslips can save data automatically when you close data entry windows, as well as save data automatically when you move between records. You can also control how Timeslips opens some data entry windows. For example, when selecting the Time and Expense Slips command from the Slips menu, Timeslips can open both the Time and Expense slip list and the slip entry dialog boxes. Navigator options allow you to change the navigator. Automated procedure options are useful for users who create their own procedures or want to start up other default procedures. Switching to the Slips tab, we can see that the new slip options allow you to set up some slip fields automatically. For example, you can copy the client from a current slip to a new slip. Other options can hide fields or determine how Timeslips tracks slips. For example, you can hide secondary nicknames on slips. Switch to the Billing Assistant tab. Billing Assistant options allow you to change the buttons that appear at the bottom of the Billing Assistant. Other options allows you to set the file paths that Timeslips uses. For example, you can set the default file path used for when printing reports to file, or to change where Timeslips stores its temporary files to help improve disk speed or comply with file permissions on your network. The Spelling tab contains options that allow you to customize spelling and grammar preferences. For example, Dictionaries options allows you to specify which dictionaries to use for spell checking. You can use both American and Canadian dictionaries. Click OK when you are finished setting up preferences.